In this video, we are going to see how to use the order form. So I'm using a checkout page template in which I've added the order form right over here. Okay. So, and of course we have also added some few additional fields for the particular template. But just in case, I want to show you from the scratch. So I need to click on the add element, and over here I need to select order form, right? So this is the order form. Now of course this is not taking care of the designing part, but just wanted to show you how to add the order form, right? So I will just click on undo and have the good looking order form back, right? And I can do the styling and stuff just like we have done right over here, right? So once we have the order form, I mean, you can learn about the styling of the forms and other things. We have other tutorials for that. Otherwise, you can simply use the templates. Alright. So now once we have the order form, if you will see, so you will notice that it does not have any price. It does not have any product over here yet, right? So how do you get the pricing of the product and the product attached over here? So basically, number one, you get out of this page, okay? That's step number one. Once you have created the checkout page, you have added the order form. Now you get out of that page, go to products. Okay, I'm opening the products in a new tab, and let's create a new product. Okay, and new product. New product test. It's a live product. Payment option, let's say I select this one, and price, let's say I want to collect 1000 rupees for this particular product. Sales and the checkout page. Now this is where we go back to our page, and let's suppose this test page we want to use as a sales page, and this checkout page will be the checkout page, of course. And then we also need to add a thank you page. So let's suppose we use this lazy loader page as the thank you page. Okay, just an example. So let's go to the settings, and in the sales page we need to select the project, which is the name of the project is templates, as you can see, right? Sales page is going to be this test page. All right. Checkout page is going to be this one, checkout. Let's go to after purchase. Okay, let's add a email ID over here. What should happen after purchase? Send him to a thank you page. Let's select the thank you page. Let's suppose we select the lazy loader page as the thank you page. Okay, and then we click on save. All right, now this product is ready. Now what do we need to do is we need to go to the settings of this particular page, the test page, which is the sales page. Basically, you go to the sales page. After you have made the product, you go to the sales page, and now in this particular button, okay, whatever button do you have on your sales page, in the button settings, what you need to do is you need to connect the product. Okay, so this is the product that we just created, new product test. So you need to connect the product. Click on publish. So basically this button is now getting connected with that particular product, right? And similarly you will do the same thing for all the other buttons on this particular page. Once this thing is done, you will go to the published URL, and now your sales page, your checkout page, your thank you page is ready, and your checkout page is ready to take orders. How? Because ultimately people are going to come to your sales page. Over there they will be clicking on your button, and when they click on the button, they will move to the checkout page. But this time around, the checkout page has the product name as well as the product price. Got it? So if you will see the difference, let me take you outside. If you will see the difference, the difference is that if you open the checkout page like this, if you will open the page URL, this is, if you will notice the URL, this is sb.flexifunnels.com/checkout123, right? So in this case, there is nothing over here. There is no product, there is no pricing, nothing over here. But when somebody has clicked on the button and when the checkout page has loaded, this time around it has loaded with the product ID. And when the product ID is there, so because of that, the product name has also come as well as the price has also come. Alright, so this is the reason that, let's suppose if you will open the checkout page directly by going to the page URL, it won't have the product and the pricing. But when you have the product ID attached to it, it will have the product name as well as the pricing. So now if you just want to send a checkout page to somebody, just in case you don't want to send the sales page, you just want to send the checkout page to somebody, that is also something that you can do, but you send this particular URL that has the ID as well. And this particular URL will have, let me open it in the incognito window, this particular URL will have the product pricing attached to it along with the payment gateway that you have selected. Got it? So yeah, that's how you use the order form.